So this is the servo motor that I took off that was broken. And I had to take the screw out of here and some screws out everywhere to get this off. But I wanted to show you the inside. And yes, our gears are stripped. Put this on a napkin. I've taken these on and off, but in a different video. But I want to show you this one. This is the culprit right here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's shaved off. Let me take it out. So, let's see. There's no teeth. There's teeth there. And then they start to get curved and all shaved off. So that's, I guess, what's causing the clicking. So this is the problem. And so anyway, these are what the gears look like. I only found one video that showed what the inside looks like, and so that's what the inside looks like.